Hey guys, how's it going? Today I bring you a very special treatment, 2013 TagAZ Aquila, and this is going to be full in-depth tour of the Aquila. We'll start up, show the engine, go on some performance details, show you a bunch of interesting features inside and out. The car is already running, here's the key. And this car definitely looks like Pontiac Grand Am. As you can see, all windows are fully tinted. Leather wrapped seats. Very nice. As you can see, two-tone interior, red and black, bucket seats, sport bucket seats, three-spoke design wheel, comes equipped with hydraulic assist power steering, rack and pinion, manual tilt only. Right now, let's turn the headlight, front rear fog light, it's also high beam. And of course, hazard lights. Power windows. And right now, let's open the hood and take a good look at the exterior of this sport car. Level right here. Beautiful exterior. And the whole body made of plastic. Single polished exhaust. License plate lights. Five-spoke 18-inch wheels, tires measuring 225/45 with 4 disc brakes. Turn signal indicators and the fenders. Halogen headlamps. Also LED strip. Projector headlamps. This car has inline 4, 16 valve, 1.6 liter, natural aspirated engine. It produces 107 horsepower. Maximum speed of 180 km per hour. 0 to 60 time is 12 seconds. Combined fuel consumption for this car is around 8 liter per 100 km. The car is front-wheel drive. Very aggressive front, and this car definitely reminds me of Bugatti and Porsche. Just gorgeous. And you know guys, to tell the truth, the exterior of this car is just unbelievable. It looks like Ferrari or Porsche. Gorgeous car. Central console, storage. And right now guys, we take a good look at the exterior. Let's take a good look at the interior portion, the most interesting part. As you can see, two-tone door panels, also padded. Storage, your power mirrors also heated. Rest of your power windows, power window lock. This car has two airbags, fully manual driver's seat, recline, and sliding right here. Quite comfortable, very supportive as you can see. Bucket seats. Trunk release and fuel cap release. And right now guys, let's see what kind of noise this car produces. Consider it's only 1.6 liter, not bad at all, definitely. Very easy to read gauges. Here's your wiper control. Aircraft inspired vents. Chrome accent. This portion is padded, and right here, soft leather. Wonderful. This Aquila fitted with the aftermarket audio system for SD card slot and auxiliary USB integration, equalizer settings. Nice, very nice. Beautiful. Down here you can find your easy to use climate control, temperature, different modes, front defrost, rear defrost, it's also fan speed control, recycle, and air conditioning. 5-speed manual, chrome accent on the top, first, second, third, off, fifth, and reverse. Very light shifter, 2 cup holders, brake, very light, lighter, or you can use the step outlet if you don't smoke. Manually dim rear view mirror, sun visors, and there is no vanity mirror. Lap lights. Handles are stationary. Build quality and all the materials are pretty cheap. You can find hard touch, but also you can find soft touch right here, better materials. But in general, consider price not bad at all, and especially exterior looks awesome. Beautiful sport car. Right now, let's move on the back seat. And I must say, seats are quite comfortable. Trunk release and fuel cap release. And actually, it's not easy to get in and out. Also, padded, power window. Central tunnel. There is no central armrest, but third plush seats, quite comfortable. Very good looking interior. Exquisite interior. And I am 6'3" myself. My legroom is pretty good, but my headroom is limited. And by the way, solid doors. Pure illumination, very small size trunk, full size spare tire, jack, tools, and you can find the same manual adjustment for the passenger seat, recline, and sliding right here. Glove compartment, very good size. And here's your remote control for the audio system. And you know guys, consider the price, it's a brilliant car. Especially exterior, looks fantastic. Well guys, hope you enjoy my in-depth look at this 2013 gorgeous TagAZ Aquila. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you catch me next time with the where it came from. Thanks for watching and have a good one guys.